Hi, this is Lena's Pretty Things, and we're going to do an unboxing for Tamed Wild. It's a witchy box. It's a pretty box. This month, it is, the ritual tools says Sabbath booklet, parchment paper, blue sage smoke stick. Oh, we don't want to read all that right now. Anyway, because that tells us what's in the box. We got the Wheel of the Year, an introduction to the Sabbaths, and it's a little book that tells about the Sabbath, about divination, how to begin your celebration on it. A bunch of reading, which we can do later. We have, the stones this time is red jasper. Red jasper gently stimulates the base chakras, stabilizes the aura, and strengthens your boundaries. It provides insights into the most difficult situations. Noted for centuries as a protection stone, it is believed to staunch wounds and increase fertility. Use in charm bags and talisman sachets to amplify your magic. Come out of there, little dude. And there's 2 of them, I think. Ooh. That's cute, because I get one now and my daughter can have the other one. And then we'll both have a red jasper. And if you want to read that up close, you can just stop it right there on your video when you're looking at it, and you can read that. So we have that. And we have the book and this. And we have the little cards, which we'll read later. Okay. We got a sticker with cactuses on it. And we got a little pen that says Tamed Wild as a thank you gift. It just says Tamed Wild in it. And this right here would be our blue sage smoke stick. Ooh, smell of it, Brie. Smell of that. Take a picture of it. Smell of it.
It smells
like blue sage.
Like leaves.
Mommy's new sage stick.
It's kind of hard to explain.
Oh, Brie, we got a flowering blessing botanical blend. Contains rose petals, candelula, and lavender. I do believe it's our tea. No? It is tea. It's our tea, yeah. It's your tea for this month. That's going to be a yum yum tea. At least I think that's what that's for. Let me see. No. Flower blessing. Sprinkle this blend of rose petals, candelula blossoms, and lavender buds over written spells to sweeten the message behind your intentions. I think it can also be used as a tea, though.
I'm sure it can.
Flower blessings can be found in each major religion throughout the world, from Thai water blessings to laying flowers at Mary's feet during a Catholic wedding ceremony. Flowers symbolize love, adoration, and respect. Use this blend to consecrate your tools, your space, or as an offering during your practice. Nope, it's not to drink.
Still really pretty.
Yeah. Flower blessing. Well, you'd have to look up the ingredients to make sure. And we got
They're right here. Wait, never mind.
We got 2 pretty candles.
Ooh. Gold and silver.
And they say that those are the ritual candles. Transmutation by fire is one of our favorite ways to speak to the divine. For this ritual, drip wax from one of the chime candles onto your parchments to seal your written intentions. When the time comes to send your messages skywards, ignite the paper and let the fire do the rest. They're for your rituals. You've got a beautiful altar cloth this time around. And it's purple, Mama's favorite color. I'm gonna know what it is.
Would you like help?
Nope, I got it.
Okay.
We'll see what's on it. Ooh. Looky there.
Okay.
Yule, Embolic, Austera, Beltane.
They have the different, what are they called? I forgot, it's in my head, but
Holidays.
Yes, holidays.
On the wheel of the year. And it has the dates. And it's pretty. And it's a
Put it in the light real quick, a little bit.
it is a felt, purple felt.
Shiny.
With shiny stuff on it.
Me
It's colorful.
likes.
It's pretty.
Pretty.
Ooh.
If it will focus.
It's got the triple goddess in the middle of it and some other moons.
The
and
moon
stars.
cycle.
Yeah. Moon phases. Okay. We're going to put that back in that in a minute. What else we got over here? And this, I believe, is the parchment paper. Pretty sure. Yep. Parchment paper. These 12 pieces of parchment are blank slates. Together they represent the 12 months that lie ahead of us. For this ritual, label one parchment for each month, January through December, and fill them with your dreams and intentions for the next year. Remember, words are spells. Choose wisely. So you got some parchment paper. And then the rest is just crinkly stuff. Crinkle paper.
Now the montage.
Now I get to read this. Okay.
Hold on, real quick.
Just take a picture of it.
You can't right now. Well, yeah, I can. Never mind.
Or you can scan it into the thing later. They go on the back too. Anyway, this is a $20 box and it comes monthly. It's $5 shipping, so in total you pay $25. And it comes from Tamed Wild. It's www.tamedwild, TAMEDWILD. I'll put that in the description box as well. And like I said, this all came in the $20 box, which is pretty cool.
The box, please.
Here we go. So anyway, this is Lena's Pretty Thing. So if you liked this video of the unboxing, give us a thumbs up. And just please hit the subscribe button. English, Lena. And share us. And come back next month, for another unboxing to see what we get out of the witchy boxes. This is the first time we've gotten the witchy boxes. This is the second one. So we're going to try the Tamed Wild for a little while, and then we may try other unboxings as well. Anyway, have a great day. Happy New Year's, everybody. Bye.